Stop spending money on greasy takeout that ruins your diet. I can show you how to make it better at home.
This is Fakeaway Favorites. Famous restaurant meals, hacked for fat loss. Same taste, half the calories. Healthy McChicken.
Craving a McChicken, but not the 400 calories of oil? Let's make a high-protein, spicy McChicken.
Seasoned ground chicken breast with paprika, garlic, and cayenne. This is where the flavor lives. Form a patty, dip in egg whites, and coat with crushed cornflakes for that in-sale crunch.
Air fry at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. No deep fryer needed.
Mix light mayo and hot sauce. Creamy, spicy, and low fat. Assemble on a toasted bun with plenty of crisp lettuce.